Bring the needle up at the outline of the shape. Use the width of the fabric as a guiding line and bring the needle down on the opposite side of the shape. Always bring the needle up on one side of the shape and bring it down on the opposite side. Keep the stitches parallel and keep the same tension of the thread. Always bring the needle up on the same side of the shape and bring the needle down on the opposite side of the shape. Keep an even tension of the stitches. Don't pull the thread too tight, or it will pull the fabric in and cause puckering. Once you finish embroidering the shape, you can slide the needle on top of the satin stitch to smooth out the strands.